Hi guys. Uh, me and my big sis, we are doing competition of eating. Guys, don't mind our house. We don't have dining. So we're gonna be eating on the floor. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay, so we are doing a competition of eating. First to finish, we take this 200 CD. Okay, this is 200 CD. So in this one, in naira, this is like 15,000. So this both 200 is 30,000 naira in Nigeria. So first, this is what we are eating. Ogbono soup with eba. See, and that's my sister's own. So right now we're gonna start.
I know I'm gonna be the winner.
Are you sure? I'll win you. When it comes to food, I'm the boss. So guys, we'll count to 1, 2, 3, and we'll wash our hand and eat. Let's see, guys. The fastest eater. 1, 2, 3, go. Guys, you know we need to finish the meat too.
Yeah.
Let's go. I go fit too.
No water. So we can drink water, right?
Yeah. You do ojoro, no water. I was bringing the water and you are eating.
I know I'm the winner. Bro, they got away.
You swallow your meat too. Hey, who finished? Hey guys, she faced me. Your meat. Nah, I'm the winner. This time you cannot say no. I am the winner. I finished first. Guys,
It's a lie. Comment and share.
Drop the comment. Drop the
winner.
Drop the
Because
winner.
for me, I know that I've won the money already.
Guys, drop the comment. Drop the winner on the comment section. No. Me,
that.
I will not agree. Give me my money. Give me my money. I win for him.
No. I will not agree. I will have said that. I will have said that. No.
Give me my money.
I will have said that. If you got, let's share it.
Guys, okay. Love you all. Mwah.